In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in PowerPoint 2016 by showing you how to insert speaker note panes into your presentation. This feature is extremely useful for anyone who wants to reference key points or reminders while presenting. It helps you stay on track and ensures you cover all the important details you planned to share. Let's get started step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's not already installed, make sure to take care of that beforehand. Once PowerPoint's open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. This can be a new presentation you're starting from scratch or an existing one that you'd like to update. At the top of the PowerPoint window, you'll see several tabs such as Home, Insert, and others. Click on the View tab. This tab allows you to control how your presentation appears while you're editing it. Once you're in the View tab, select Normal Mode. This is the default view and it's perfect for adding and organizing your speaker notes. It gives you a full view of your slides along with a space to add your personal notes. Now, look toward the bottom of the PowerPoint window. You'll see a small area under each slide labeled Click to Add Notes. This is your notes pane, where you can type in speaker notes for each slide. Simply click in that area and start typing your notes. These notes won't be visible to your audience during the slideshow. They're only visible to you as a presenter. You can use this section to write key talking points, important data, or reminders to mention during your presentation. Adding notes is a great way to stay organized and confident while presenting. And that's it. That's how you add speaker notes to your PowerPoint 2016 presentation. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you deliver your message clearly and smoothly every time.